Hi there, I'm going to be making biscuits to go with our dinner tonight and thought I would share the recipe with you. It's my family favorite, so let's get this going. Start with 2 cups of flour, and a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'll put the recipe in the link below. I mix it all together, and then we get to the messy part. The fun part. We put in a 1/2 cup of shortening, and then you cut it in with a fork. You can use a pastry knife. I've found that I just like doing it with the fork instead. One less thing to clean. Until you get little balls of the shortening in there, crumbly. Only takes a couple minutes. You make a well in the middle of the bowl, so you can add your between 2/3 and 3/4 cup milk all at once, and then you stir it together. Until you can't really stir it anymore, and then we'll dump it out on the table and knead it a few times on it. And now you take the crumbly mess and form it into a dough that you can roll. I like to get it flat as I can first, and then you just roll it out till it's about 1/2 inch thick. This is the one I like. It makes it about the same size as a Grand's biscuit, but so much better. And then cut as many as you can off of this roll, and then move them onto your baking sheet. Repeat it until you don't have enough left to roll. And I always end up with my misshapen biscuit. Now that the oven's at 450, I will put it in. And it will bake for about between 12 and 14 minutes till they're golden brown, and then we get to enjoy them with our dinner.
See you in 12.
See you in 12. And here we are. Nice and thick, like a Grand's. And oh, so tasty.
See you next time.
See you next time.